Greetings and welcome to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to link to a website, open the web browser from within the game. And I'm going to do this in two different ways. Or blueprint wise it's one way, but when it comes to how you actually trigger the page website to open, it's two different. So as you can see, I've just opened the first person template. So we can start by right-clicking in the content browser and then clicking blueprint class and creating a new actor. I'll just call this URL actor. And then double-clicking it. And then just go to add components. Search for search for collision, box collision, and then choose a sphere, and we will give it a material just because it looks better, like this perhaps, whatever, and make the collision box bigger than the ball, bigger than the blue ball, the green ball, yes, the website ball. So now compile, and with the trigger box selected, scroll down to on component begin overlap, and here drag this node out and search for launch URL. Then find the web page you would like to open. I'm gonna of course use my own, so I'm just gonna copy that and then paste the URL in here. Boom. And then compile and save. Now we go back out and we drag this component or this blueprint actor into the scene. And we play. Let's see. Boom. And then, you open a web page. So it's that easy. So this is one way, to just have a trigger inside the level like that. But something that might look a little bit better is if a button pops up and you can click the button in order to open the page. So we will do that now. So this is the first way, and now we will do the second. So again, inside the content browser, right click and go to user interface, then widget blueprint, and I will call this URL interface, for example. Control S for save and open it. Now drag in a button and make it however big you want. This is just an example, so it doesn't really matter. And then drag in some text, and I will call it simply URL, and I'll make it red and make the size of the font larger. Then click the button again and make sure this is in the middle-ish of it. That way the button will stay at the same place no matter the screen size. And I also want another color. How about no, not for the text, but for the button background color then. Here we go. Okay, and we will do it again. Drag in a new button. Drag in a new text block, and I will call that just simply back. Enlarge it and take this in here. Compile and save. Now click the URL button, scroll all the way down, then click on the on-clicked, then drag this node out, and we will take No, actually. Yes, actually. Then again, search for URL. And again, paste the website address. Is it that one? Yeah, that's that one. So I will do the same for the other one. Well, not exactly the same. I will drag that out and we will take create widget and we will find this widget URL interface, and then we will take remove all widgets and drag this out and take set input mode to game only, and then drag out target and search for player and select get player controller like that. And now we will go into the viewport again and then into level blueprints. No, actually first let's create a way to trigger this inside of the level. So I'm gonna choose this block, just give it a new material so it's easy to see like that. Very beautiful. And then up in the classes search field you will search for trigger, choose a box trigger, take it out here, enlarge it somewhat like that perhaps. Then with that trigger selected, go into level blueprints, and here right click, add event for trigger box, collision, add on actor begin overlap. When you overlap that, you will create widgets. So search for widgets, create widget, and it will be the same widget URL interface. Again, you could create this as a blueprint class, but I just show you that. So yeah, and then drag this out and search for viewport, add to viewport, and the target is that widget. Then drag this out and set input to UI only. Then lock mouse to viewport like that, and in widget to focus, boom. And target will be the player controller like this. Okay, compile. Looks good. So we go back out and we save. And I'm just gonna save everything like that. Okay, now let's see. So here we are, traversing the plains, boom, and here we go. So I click that button, and behold, yes! And when you're done browsing, you go out and you click back and you're back in the game. So, you know, I think this version is a lot cooler than the other one, but it's okay to know both of them, you know, so boom. Here you kind of force the new web page on the player. Okay, it opened, but it's laying behind there, that's okay. So yeah, that's how you do this. So hope that was helpful, and ask if you have any questions, and have a great day.